if you are looking for a great paw pad and nose balm, you're going to want to check this out. This is really, really cool. It is lick safe, which is great. The winter time is here, and it also depends on where you live. It could just be really cold. This is exactly what it looks like. So what you're going to do here is you just unscrew this just like this. It has a little plastic piece right over there. You take that off, and then you can just put this on your dog's nose or its paws, so to prevent cracking, to help with cracking. Really like the fact you could just push that up like this. I like the fact that it's a stick. It makes it easy for me to take on the go with me if I wanted to take it on the go, and it does not bother our dog at all. I also like the fact that it is small and compact. I could take this with us on the go. You're going to get 1.3 ounces of this. Just really, really great. So if you're looking for something to help your dog's paws and nose, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.